Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome back to day number 26. So here's day number 25, lots of reds and greens. Lots of reds and greens in day number 26 here. And I think I'm going to use this piece of paper with the tree on it and drop it down here. That's my thought. This is a little door swag. And then I have a bunch of stuff here. So this page is going to be all about the Christmas presents that I receive from clients. So what I do every year is I take a photo of the Christmas gifts that they send me, and there's two things missing from here, but that's okay. I'll cover it in the writing. And then sometimes I'll include notes or cute little pieces that they send me. This is a cool tag that one of my clients made, and because I'm using, I think I'm going to use this envelope to conceal a card to journal on. So I have a couple different options here. I just want to make sure that it's going to fit. So there's that. There's the love this story, which I would cut that down. And then there's this wish list one. And I think I really like the wish list idea. I am not going to write anything on this right now, just because, and this is a little, yeah, I think it'll fit, because I have a lot of writing to do there and I want to make sure that I have room for it. Then this piece I punched holes in so that it can sit either here or here, and there's notes on here, so I'm going to leave that to the side. I did think about using this, but I think this acid green is throwing me. It is a note from a client that I want to save though, so I'm just going to pop that in my bag here. And what I can do if I want to, and I did punch these holes already, could have brought this down a little bit, but this is kind of a flap here, so I think I'm going to leave this. What I could do is seal this with a little piece of washi tape when I'm done, and I may or may not do that. We'll see. I'm going to put this aside, and I'll try to remember to show you how this all comes out in the book. And then there's just a 26 here. I'm thinking this would be kind of cool, and then I'm going to grab my scissors because this came tied on that swag there, but I don't want all that jute cord here. I just want the idea of the jute cord. And I'm thinking, now that I think about this, I think this needs to sit outside of the pocket. Oh, and this, maybe, I'm going to put that up there. I was thinking maybe that could go down there. I also brought out my acrylics because I haven't used them in a little bit, and I'm thinking about collaging something here. Not quite sure. There was a joy tag in here somewhere, I think. Oh, here we go. And that would be cute to hide some stuff behind. And maybe thinking about like red. Not so much. Don't love that. I can't staple that because of the bag, and I think I'm just going to leave it like this. So let me do this. Let's get this down here. I'm just going to overlap these a little bit, and then I'll put the adhesive here and here. I need a little bit of twine, and I think I'll do red just because the tag is red. Then what I'm thinking up here is that I put this on the outside of the book so it doesn't get, I think it's going to be too big for the pocket otherwise. And I think this works well together. This will sit kind of in front of this page too. Keep that in mind. Now I could also, if I wanted to, maybe I will do that. Put that 26 over here. I think that's what I'm going to do. I like that. And then that other piece, that's the little card, can sit behind. Now, if you want to, you can always reinforce that. So this will sit like this here That other piece sits behind it so you can't see it. The holes are punched evenly. And then this. And then you'll see the back side of this, but I think that's okay. And I think I'm going to leave this as it is. Look at you guys, how few numbers I have left. Isn't that exciting? All right. Then, oh, I could, looking, do I have anything here? You can see if there's like a present that works down here, although I think 2 puffy stickers is kind of weird, and it's kind of separating them here. I think this would have to do something more like this, and I'm afraid that would fall off there. I really kind of like the circle there, so that present I don't think is going to work, but maybe I can work something with these down here. I am thinking I would like a little bit of this acrylic stuff here. Originally I was thinking I would put the number here, but I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. So what can we do here? Now I could do part of a banner here. Do Christmas magic there. We already have the number out in front, so I don't need that. This making a list is kind of cute. And again, let's go back. Oh, I like thankful here. Here's a grateful. And here's, let's see. Here comes Santa Claus. That's kind of cute. And I like this making a list because I'm making a list of the beautiful things that I was given. This, I think, is done. I'm gonna pop this in the pocket here. So we can see if this good cheer found here is not a fan of that. Really would like some color down here. Oh, well, how about this? Here's a stocking. I was thinking, do I want to do a star? No, let's do the stocking. We're gonna do something I haven't done a lot of, and that's bring this down here, like this, all the way to the bottom. Put that stocking there. And we'll put that present there. Okay, that's good. That's kind of in the way of that. Okay, the other thing I have to deal with is this up here. So I found these 2 papers. I think this is a little red. Oh, it hits the back side of that tree. So I could do more of that. I think it's a little busy and there's not enough red maybe. So I need to do some red over here. Need this to just cut this piece. And hopefully cut it straight. Okay. I'm just gonna tuck this in here. this one's good. Present there, red, red, a little bit of red down here. So I'm going to grab my red enamel dots. Let's get this out of the way. Where's grateful? Here's grateful. Well, guess what? That's going on there because it just stuck. Okay. That's too big. Oh. Don't poke yourself with your pokey tool or your tweezers. Okay. Red. I'm thinking this looks funny without any red. So almost, sorry guys. I'm thinking. So now there's 3 here. I was gonna see what I think about that. I think just 1 there. I really want the, oh my goodness. Everything is sticking to the photographs today. I guess we want that, right? Okay. So journaling is going to go inside this, but this is basically how this is going to look. Let me pop this in here so you can see this. This will lay like this. Now, if I wanted to, I could do that, but I think that's a lot coming across from there. So I think we're all good, guys. All right, I'm all done. I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 27. Bye, everybody.